Poem on a Pole, 2026, April. A wise bird. I hear it still in Sinead O'Connor's voice on the opening of the album I bought at 15. God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change. Courage to change the things I can. And the wisdom to know the difference. I thought it beautiful and true that the difference could be clear and clean, as if between the call of dove and cuckoo. I only needed to be wise enough to hear it, know it, name it, ear keen as a knife enough, as I kneel in the woods of my life. And look up. I list the things I cannot change. Those I must accept serenely. These range quite extremely from the force of gravity to my mother's anxiety about me, the redness of the traffic lights, to the stupid fight I had last night with my daughter about whether I could make her sleep. 3 a.m. She's still awake. I list the things I can change. These range from rushing, always being late, to the terrible state of the inside of my car, to how far I fight tomorrow night, my stubborn ways, how I spend my days. So far, so good in this life wood. But there are other things about which I feel confused, like on the news, war, poverty, the climate, all that shit. Should I accept these on my knees, or could I try to change them, rearrange the world a bit? And then there's dying. There's no denying it. But when I go, is that a choice? It's not definitely no. Can a double negative make a living positive? Can I will myself from ill to well in every cell? It's hard to tell. Courageous change. Serene acceptance. Clearly different, except once they are not. I feel there's got to be more of a conversation with Sinead, death, daughter, mother, other things, less separation, less refinery about this binary, more accepting change and changing what's acceptable, respectable. I want outrageous choices, courageous voices, especially when it seems we should be seen to be serene. Change, accept, contest, consent, moment to moment, like two notes in an ongoing song, a kind of quantum sing-along, and listen close, closer, and they become like elements within the same atom, and telling them apart, splitting them. Maybe that's a power we shouldn't have, rather than a wisdom that we should. I stand in this living wood at 52. I listen to the woo of dove and cuckoo, the hum among the trees. I climb up into their leafy arms. I cup my palms together, a prayer not to cleave apart, but share. I blow between my thumbs. I make my own to wit to woo, for this seems now the wisest thing to do, to hush, to hear, and to be heard, as if I were another bird.